Hello and welcome to Speedy Finance. This is episode 8 of building an investment portfolio from £0 to £100,000. If you're new to the channel, I only invest in one fund, and that is the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulation Fund, which is ticker code VUAG on the London Stock Exchange. So the S&P 500 has dipped again this week. There were talks of the US introducing a 50% tariff on goods from the EU, which led to a drop in the value of the S&P 500. They have since backtracked on that though. The dollar has also weakened against the pound in the course of the past week, and that obviously means that the value of VUAG has also decreased across the last 7 days. I utilise the dollar cost averaging approach, whereby I invest £385 each and every week, which equates to £20,000 per annum. I'll show you how many shares of VUAG I bought this week for £385, and I'll also show you how my portfolio as a whole has performed. So let's get into it. This is how the S&P 500 has performed over the past 5 days. You can see that it's down almost 1.5%. A lot of that was in response to the proposed tariffs by the US against the EU. However, you can see that once they confirmed that that wasn't going to take place, the market has risen again. We'll see how the market plays out this week. This is the performance of the dollar against the pound. You can see that it's weakened further over the past 5 days. It's now trading below 0.74 to the GBP. Obviously, a decrease in the value of the dollar means that the fund value of the VUAG fund also decreases, so I'll have to watch that in the long term. This is the performance of the VUAG fund across the past week, so you can see that it's down 2.5%, and that's due to a combination of the S&P 500 dipping in value and also the dollar weakening against the pound. So those two factors combined have meant that the value of the VUAG fund has dropped nearly 2.5%. This is my purchase for the week. You can see I bought £385 of shares on the 27th of May. I actually picked up 4.65 shares, but it was split into two parts. So this is the first part of the purchase for the 4 full shares, and then the 0.65 was on a separate purchase order. You can see the price 82.7801. So that's a significant drop on the price I paid last week, which was over £84. So this is my portfolio as a whole. So I now own 38.90,793 shares, which is worth £3,219.98. We're still in the green despite the drop this week, so we're up £139.98. Average price 79.16, current price 82.75. I'll be posting weekly updates. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.